Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So the pound dollar analysis is definitely working out that I've been talking about. Like I've been saying, I think this is potentially a flat, which I would target one of these zones down here where my box is. Now, today is FOMC interest rate news, definitely a very big news event, and I will be live streaming on YouTube for that late at the news, so make sure to check that out. Now, for me personally, just because of the daily time frame, I would be doing nothing on the shorter time frames. We're looking for shorts in a downtrend. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, these are the type of situations where I say the only strategy right now is to be already short, looking for an exit, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for another pullback to go short again. I personally wouldn't be trying to go long right now, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now at potentially the end of a wave right up against a daily time frame Fibonacci level. So, like I said, sometimes the best strategy is to be patient, or the best strategy is to be already short, waiting for an exit. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And also, thank you and happy trading.